Hello and welcome in this video for an exercise of linear algebra. This is an exercise of determinant and you've been asked to give the value of this determinant. If you know how to do this exercise, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution together. First, there are many ways to solve this exercise, so I will show you one way, and I'm aware that there are many ways. So when you need to give the value of a determinant, this is always nice if you've got some zeros. Right now, in this exercise, we don't get any zero. So by operating some rows or some columns, so I propose that we could make some zero appear. Let's begin. We can notice that on column number 1, we've got y plus z, y and z. Well, the operation could be row number 1 minus row number 2 plus row number 3, and it will replace row number 1. Let's do this together. So we've got y plus z minus y minus z. This is 0. We've got now x minus z minus z. So we end up with negative 2z, and then x minus y minus x minus y, we end up with negative 2y's. Now we can notice that row number 1, all these terms are multiples of negative 2. So I can put this number, negative 2, just in front of the determinant, but I need to divide at the same time all these terms by negative 2. So we got a new row number 1, which is 0, z, and 1. Then we can notice that column number 3, we've got row number 1, this is y, row number 2, this is y. We can just modify by operating these two rows, and this is row number 2 minus row number 1, and it will replace row number 2. Let's do that together. Y minus 0, this is y, x plus z minus z, this is x, and finally y minus y, this is 0. So now we can notice that on column number 2, we've got z located row number 1 and z located row number 3. So the idea is to operate these two rows, 3 and 1, and to plug the result in row number 3. Let's do that together. Okay, so z minus 0, this is z, z minus z, this is 0, and x plus y minus y, this is x. So now we've got a bunch of zeros, so we can expand along, for example, row number 1. So this is negative 2 times 0 times something, this is 0, negative z, and the determinant is y0 zx, plus y, and the determinant is yx, z, 0. So now, if you calculate, this is negative 2 times minus z times yx minus 0 times z. This is yx, okay, plus y times 0 times y, this is 0, minus x times z. So we've got at the end negative 2 times negative 2 times x, y, z, and the result is 4x, y, z. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in another one.